Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily add the links to Facebook story. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first you may try to open up Facebook app, then hit add create story, then you can add some photo from here and tap add stickers icon, and now you can notice that there are no link stickers as in Instagram. So all you have to do now is hop out or close Facebook app and open up Instagram. On Instagram, tap where it says your story, and then you can use your camera to take a photo, or you can just upload some photo or a short video from your camera roll. And once you did that, just hit right here at that stickers icon. Then select link sticker. If you can't find it here, you can use search. Just hit at that search bar and search for a link, just like that. Then select link sticker and put in here some URL, let it be youtube.com, and then just hit add done. This will add YouTube sticker over your story. You can pinch it to scale, you can move it around, you can rotate it if you want, and once you have finished with editing your story, you can tap right there where it says your stories to share that story on your Instagram and Facebook at the same time. Then you can hit at your story. Now it says uploading, just wait for uploading to complete, and after that you can tap right here where it says Facebook, and now it says already shared to Facebook story. If you want to remove both of that stories, you can right here hit add more, then hit add delete, and then you can delete it from Instagram only, and also you can delete it from both, just like that. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Facebook tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.